Welcome to IB360. In this video, we are going to discuss the ninth problem, A and B part of this particular paper. Okay, so this problem is from probability, and let's see what is in this problem. A bag contains n marbles, two of which are blue. Haley plays a game in which she randomly draws marbles out of the bag, one after another, without replacement. The game ends when she draws a blue marble. When she draws a blue marble, the game ends there. Okay. Now, find the probability in terms of n that the game will end on her first draw. It means, like, first we are trying to get the thing in the, if this is the something like a bag, then here n number of marbles are there. N number of marbles are there, and of them two blue marbles are there. Two blue marbles are there. This is one blue marble and this is another blue marble. So two blue marbles are there and other marbles are also there. So ultimately other marbles are in number n minus 2 and two marbles are from blue marbles. So now, as you can see, find the probability in terms of n that the game will end on her first draw. It means at first draw she have picked out one blue marble. So two blue marbles are there and total number of marbles are n. So ultimately the probability will be, so the probability that in first draw she won, that in first draw she won is basically nothing but she have picked the blue marble at the first draw. So blue marble number of probability is 2 divided by number of total cases is n. So in terms of n we need to find out. So that's why the probability is in first draw the probability of winning is 2 by n. Now we will move towards the second draw. Okay, so in second draw it means in first draw she is failed. Like in first draw, she picked up one marble which is not blue, and after that in second draw, he picked up one marble that is blue. So it means there are two number of cases. One case is the not blue case, and one case is that is blue case. Again we have in our hand n number of marbles of them. So again I am drawing that part, that is only two marbles are blue. So this is one blue marble, this is one blue marble, and other marbles are in terms of n minus 2. So this is 2 and total n number of marbles are there. It means total n number of marbles are there. Now in second draw, it means in first draw she did not picked up any blue marble. Okay, so if it is so, the number of marbles that are not blue is n minus 2. So n minus 2 divided by n, total number of marbles are n and total number of not blue marbles are n minus 2. It means in first draw probability of not getting any blue marble will be n minus 2 divided by n into, in the second draw this is the draw for not blue, and for blue she need to pick one marble from the blue part. So two blue marbles are there, that's why 2 divided by, now here one marble is picked up and without replacement. This word is very important. It means now in this particular box, in this particular bag, now the number of marbles are n minus 1 because one marble is picked up in this particular trial. So here I have n minus 1. So the probability is, so basically the probability of the event is equals to 2 into n minus 2 divided by n into n minus 1. This is the probability for second draw. So for second draw the probability is 2 into n minus 2 divided by n into n minus 1.